Strong, fast, and reliable. This is MECHPRESS, the carbon steel press fitting systems from CB Supplies. MECHPRESS features superior pull-out resistance, MECHSmart press identification, and a streamlined installation process that will save you time and money on your next job. MECHPRESS is certified for mechanical and gas systems, compatible with leading carbon steel press tools, and backed by a 15-year limited warranty. Now, we'll show you how to make those connections using CB Supplies MECHPRESS fittings and carbon steel pipe. MECHPRESS fittings are designed for use with Schedule 10 to Schedule 40 carbon steel pipe in nominal sizes ranging from 1/2 inch to 2 inch. Before you begin, ensure that the end of your pipe is cut square and is free of any grease, oil, and burrs, which may interfere with the connection. Prepare the end of your pipe using a sand cloth or abrasive cloth to ensure a smooth surface. CB Supplies MECHPRESS fittings are color-coded according to their intended application: green for mechanical and fire protection systems, and yellow for gas and fuel oil systems. Since both types of fittings are installed the same way, let's demonstrate using a yellow hub gas and fuel oil fitting, referred to as CB Supplies MECHPRESS G. Ensure that all of your press fitting components are intact and seated properly. Check that the grip ring, separator ring, and O-ring components are each seated properly and in the correct order. These components are the same for MECHPRESS and MECHPRESS G fittings, with the exception of the color for the O-ring sealing element. Push the MECHPRESS fitting onto the pipe until the end of the pipe is seated against the tube stop. Then mark your insertion depth on the surface of the pipe. This mark must be aligned with the fitting before pressing to ensure a proper seal. For a no-stop coupling, consult the proper insertion depth chart for the nominal pipe size that you're working with. For connections made with MECHPRESS fittings in nominal sizes of 1/2 inch to 1 inch, select a press tool recommended in the CB Supplies MECHPRESS Installation Guide along with compatible press jaws of the corresponding size. Open the jaw of the press tool and place it over the hub of the MECHPRESS fitting. Make sure that your insertion depth mark is aligned with the fitting. Making sure to keep foreign objects away from the jaws, hold down the trigger of your press tool until the press connection has been completed. For connections made with MECHPRESS fittings in nominal sizes of 1.25 to 2 inch, select a press tool recommended in the CB Supplies MECHPRESS Installation Guide, a compatible ring jaw, and a press ring of the corresponding size. Open the press ring and place it over the hub of the MECHPRESS fitting, ensuring that the insertion depth marking is aligned with the fitting. Line up your tool's ring jaw with the press ring over the hub of the fitting and squeeze the trigger of your tool until the press connection has been completed. Always keep foreign objects clear of the press ring when in operation. The press ring can be removed once the fitting has been pressed. The MECHSmart color-coded label on the fittings hub should be discarded after pressing as a visual indicator that this connection is complete. Any installer can now tell with a glance that this connection has been pressed and is ready for testing. Save time and money with fast, strong, and reliable connections with MECHPRESS carbon steel press fittings from CB Supplies. Press on with MECHPRESS.